Hi everyone, this is Emmy. My last video was for a crocheted ball ornament, and I have now designed a round knitted ball ornament, and I put the pattern instructions below the video. You'll find it in the description and in the top comment. And after you have knitted this very basic round ball, you can then decorate it any way you like. So one knitted ball can be decorated to an unlimited number of different designs. So check out below in the description and in the top comment and get your free pattern for a knitted ball ornament for the Christmas tree. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.